Hey guys, today we are going pheasant hunting. It's something I've always wanted to do, never had the opportunity to, but we are going up to Elk Ridge Hunt Club in Bucyrus, Ohio to hopefully shoot some pheasants. I'm really pumped. It's a beautiful day, a little cold out, but it's sunny, and hopefully we bring home lots of birds. We're getting ready to head out to the field. Today I'll be shooting my Benelli 20 gauge Super Sport, and then I'll be shooting Winchester 7.5 shot.
There you go.
Oh.
Good girl. Good girl. Here. Out.
We've shot about 8 so far. About 4 roosters, 4 hens. This has been so much fun. I could see myself doing this every weekend for sure. Okay, that was an awesome day hunting. Pheasant hunting is so much fun. I hope I get to do it again soon. I even got a feather to put in my hat. How cute is that? All right, so we're gonna cook up some pheasant here. And this is my first time making pheasant, so hopefully it turns out good. Looked up a few ideas online. So we cut up the pheasant, and I've been soaking it in some pickle juice for a couple hours now. And so I'm just going to use some breadcrumbs, some seasoning mix. I think it is shake and bake is what we're using today, to just coat them, and then we're going to fry them. Alright, just get them coated. Okay, so we'll just put them in the oil. Make sure your oil is nice and hot. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be some good eating. All right, let's give this a try. Looks really delicious. It's good. It's really tender. 10 out of 10. And we shot it ourselves. Thanks guys for following along with my hunting adventures. Stay tuned for more hunts and outdoor activities. We will be doing some mushroom hunting, turkey hunting this spring, and then doing a hiking adventure out west at the Grand Canyon. So stay tuned for more videos and make sure you subscribe. Thanks guys.